how to sign up to ChatGPT. So go to Google and write ChatGPT. ChatGPT is run by OpenAI. So click on this one. Then at the top right corner, you'll see this little square. Just tap on that. Then you have login at the bottom. Tap on that. Now you have ChatGPT, API platform, and so on. Tap on ChatGPT. Now you have login and sign up. Tap on sign up. Over here, write your email, or you can log in with different account. I'm gonna use my email. Continue. Continue. Nope. We need a small letter, I think. Oh, 12 characters. Okay. Now it's gonna send us a code to our email, so we need to verify it. 137. Continue. Date of birth. Continue. Okay, let's go. That's it. You signed up to ChatGPT.